So this right here is the automatic blood pressure monitor by OMRON, and we got this for our home because my wife wanted to keep a closer eye on her own blood pressure, and it's come in the box looking exactly like this. Super easy to use, and I thought we'd give a quick how-to video on how to use it, so let's go. Inside the box we have got the arm pressure monitor strap thing, the machine itself, and also a good instruction set as well. On first assembly, when you first get it out of the box, you do need to just push this blue clip in, but it literally just push straight in and that's it. So really straightforward. Okay, you can see right now we are tightening it around the upper arm, and really good sized strap as well, so arms of all sizes are good, and all this bit here just wants to come straight down the arm. Once it's ready to go, we just press the start button, just like that. And what's happening now is the machine is pumping pressure into that grey strap. Takes about 8 seconds. It does make a slight vibration noise, and as well as it does it. And now for about 15 seconds, it's just slowly deflating and at the same time taking all the necessary readings. And in a second, you'll see that appear on the screen as kind of the final measurement. So if we just wait, it shall appear. There we go. So those are the final stats of the blood pressure reading, all automatic, all job done, and that's it, right? If you look at the instruction manual, it'll give you a bit of a guide as to exactly what all these numbers mean, and as soon as you're done with it, you just press the stop button to turn it off, and that is it. Super practical, super easy to use. We're really pleased with it.